Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to add friends on Monopoly Go. The process is quite simple and easy. The first thing is open your Monopoly app. Once it will be open, sign in with your Facebook account because without signing in, you cannot invite any person to your Monopoly friend list. After signing in, you will see the option on the right bottom. Tap on this one. And here are two option contacts and invite. You can also upload your all contact list in Monopoly Go by tapping on this, and they will be automatically added to your friend list. And the next option is invite if I tap on this. So here I can see two options, send invitation on Facebook, and this option is means. If I tap on this one, then I can share this with all other platforms like WhatsApp or Twitter or Instagram. So I am tapping on this invite. So if I tap on the Facebook, then the Facebook application will be open and I need to share this post on my Facebook. So when my friends will tap on that link, they will be added to my friend list in Monopoly Go. So by using this method, you can add friends in Monopoly Go.